Welcome to Watch Easy Mandarin program. Today is the 8th lesson of Easy Mandarin program. Easy Mandarin program will be broadcast every 2 weeks at 8 p.m. Friday. We welcome you to share the live broadcast. Today, I'm going to talk about how to use this and that in Mandarin and one common mistake. Let's get started now. How to use this and that. Okay, how to say this and that in Mandarin. Okay, this is 这 this. 那 mean that. So 这 and 那 mean that. So in English, normally we will say this ball, this person. But in Mandarin, it is slightly different. In some case, or just in some case, we have to use measure word in between this and a noun. So if you notice, in English, it's like this, 这 and bo, 书, right? So in English, normally you say 这 this, 书 bo, this bo. But in Mandarin, some case we will put a measure word in between 这 and 那 and now. Okay, let's see this. 这本书 so 本 is the measure word for book. Okay, so we say 这本书. What is the meaning of 这本书? Mean this book. Okay, so 那本书 what's the meaning of 那本书 mean that book. We use this 这 and 那 when we want to specify something. Okay, so I want this book I specify this book. Okay, so 这 and 那这个人 this person. So 个 is the measure word for people. So 个 is the measure word. So 那个人 that person. Okay, so let's see the next one. 这个书包 this school bag. So school bag is a noun. You cannot say 这书包 this school bag. Cannot. You cannot omit the measure word. You have to say 这个书包 or 那个书包 that school bag. Like 这个房间 this room. And 那个房间 that room. And 个 is the measure word for 房间. So what we learned today is 这 this and 那 that plus the measure word plus the noun. Okay, let's see this. 瓶 bottle is a measure word. Bottle. I want to say this bottle of beer. How to say? This bottle of beer. How to say? 这 this bottle 瓶 beer 啤酒. So it's 这瓶啤酒. If I want to say that bottle of beer, that bottle of beer, how to say? 那 that 瓶 bottle 啤酒. That's it. Okay, so this water, what is this water is this bottle of water. Okay, so it's 这瓶水. So that bottle of water, I indicate that bottle of water. So I have to say 那 that 瓶水 那瓶水. Okay, let's see. If I don't want to say bottle, how about a cup? Yes, very easy. I just say 杯 is cup. So this cup of beer or this beer is in a cup, is not in a water. So I say this cup of beer. Okay, so 这杯啤酒，这杯啤酒 that cup of beer. I want to say that beer is in that cup. The beer is in that cup. So 那杯啤酒。So this cup of water. How to say? 这杯水 that cup of water. 那杯水，那杯水。So 杯 is the measure word. MW is the short form of measure word. Okay, 只 also a measure word. Okay, we use 只 for animals. Okay, so normally talking about animals, we use 只, and in other situations, we also use 只, like we want to talk about our eyes, our hand, our leg, we also use 只. 眼睛 is 只. 一只眼睛 one eye. 一只手 one hand. 一只脚 one leg. One feet. Okay, so 这 and 那 plus the 只 and plus the 猫. So 这只猫. So it's this cat. Normally, when talk about animal, we will put the measure word for 只, remember? So 那只猫 is that cat. So 这只狗 this dog. 那只狗 I want to indicate that dog. 那只狗 that dog and this dog. Okay, so this is if you would say this is refer to nearest, the thing that is nearest to us. When we say 那, it's refer to the thing that is far from us. Okay, so compare with 这. Okay, so 那只狗. Okay, so this one, 张 piece. 张 piece is also a measure word. So 这张纸is this piece of paper. Remember, in most situations, when we talk about paper, ticket also a paper, tissue also a paper. Like a paper, we use 张 for the measure word. Okay, so 这张纸 is a paper. So we say 这张纸 this piece of paper. That piece of paper, how to say? 那张纸 that piece of paper. So 这张票 this piece of ticket. Remember, we talk about ticket, tissue paper. Tissue paper, how to say? 餐巾纸 tissue paper. 这张餐巾纸 this tissue paper. 那张餐巾纸 that tissue paper. Okay, so we said this piece of ticket. How to say? 这张票. If I want to say that piece of ticket, how to say? 那张票. That's very easy. Okay, just now we are talking about singular. Now we want to talk about plural. Okay, so if let's say like 这张纸 this is refer to one piece of paper. This one piece of paper. Okay, so if I want to say this paper, how to say? This paper. It is plural. I want to say this paper. How to say? 这些 这些 we no need to use 张 anymore. We no need to say 这些张纸 no need. No need. So you just say 这些纸 easy, right? So 这些纸 is these papers. So 这些票 is these tickets. So you no need to say 这些张 this piece of ticket. No need. You just say 这些票 when it come to plural. Okay, understand? So you see this. So 这些纸这些票 So 这 and 那瓶 plus the noun. So 这瓶啤酒，那瓶啤酒，这瓶水，那瓶水。If I want to say this all is singular. Okay, so if I want to say this, how to say? I'm no need to use the measure word I just said. 这些啤酒 this beer. It means more than one bottle of beer here. Okay, so 这些水 so this water, this water. Okay, say some water here. There's some water here. Okay, there's some beer here. Okay, so 这些 okay, more than one. So 那些 you refer to those. Okay, 那些啤酒 and 那些水，那些啤酒 and 那些水。Okay, so remember the concept. When talk about plural, we just say 些, no need to use the measure word. No need to use like this 纸 this measure word. Like 张 the measure word. Okay, so common mistake. Okay, this is okay, we see these two sentences. 写了几个字，写了那几个字。Okay, so 写 what's the meaning 写？写 is write. 了 means already. So 写了 write already. In Mandarin is very interesting. So we no need to like English, we have a lot of grammar. If I want to say I wrote, okay, in most commonly situation we just add a le. Write already means wrote. Like eat. Eat is 吃. So eat already means ate. 吃了 means ate. Okay. Okay. 写了 means wrote. 几个字. So 几个 is few word. 写了几个字. And 写了那几个字. Okay, so you can obviously see that 几 is several, some, several. Okay, so 个 is the measure word and 字 is the character, means character. So 几个字 means several character and 个 is the measure word for the character. Okay, so 写了几个字 this one, as we learned just now, is correct. So this sentence have no problem. This sentence is correct. 这写了几个字 we just want to learn about what is the difference between 写了几个字 and 写了那几个字。Okay, so 写了那几个字那 is refer to that. So is we want to specify that. I specify those few words. I write those few words. And 写了几个字 is more on like generally speaking. I just write few words. Okay, so you have to be careful when you want to express our opinions about something. If you want to I want to specify it, we use 这 and 那 to specify it. 这瓶水 I specify. I want to indicate this this one. Okay, this water. This water. Okay, 这些水 this water. Okay, so 那些水those water. Okay, those water. Okay, so so this is just like you have a very clear mindset about how to use 几个字 in which kind of situation, how to use 那几个字 okay, so that's all for my teaching today. If you have any question, you are welcome to leave a comment on the Facebook or YouTube. We will answer your question in the next unit. I will see you at the same time Friday on the week after next week. Bye.